Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post a listing on Mercari. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and post a listing on Mercari. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So first thing that you want to do is log on to Mercari. Next, click on sell on the middle hand corner on the bottom hand side. And then you're going to go ahead and scroll down, and where that purple button says list an item, click on list an item. So next we're going to click on add up to 12 photos on the top left side. And then we're going to click on library. And then we're just going to select an item that we have here. So here we have a Pokemon collection box. Now you can adjust the photo, then click on use photo in the bottom right hand corner. Obviously, the more pictures you add, the better. So here we'll say Pokemon collection boxes, black and white packs. So simply add a title and add a description. Next, set the category. And for the brand, it auto-populates, but we're going to go ahead and set this to Pokemon. And then for the condition, we're going to say new. And then the delivery from, just enter your zip code. And then you need to indicate whether you're buying or offering free shipping. Now for the shipping method, we're going to click on get your shipping rate and then select prepaid label and then click on edit. So now you need to indicate how heavy the package will be. So this package will probably be around 2 pounds. And then you need to indicate whether it'll fit in a shoebox. We're going to select no. And then you need to indicate what size the box will be that the package will be in. So for this case, we're going to enter 20 inches by, let's say, 12 inches by another 12 inches. Then click on next. And so with that, this is where you need to indicate which label you'd like to use. So we're going to select the USPS Ground Advantage and then click on save. Afterwards, you need to set your price. So we're going to set the price of this to be $250 and then click on next. So now you can toggle off smart pricing. We're going to turn that off and then click on save. And then afterwards, just click on list. Now it looks like our description needs to be more than 5 words. So we're just going to do Pokemon packs, 2 included, 12 packs each. Now let's click on list and give it a couple seconds. And there you have it. You've now gone ahead and listed this Pokemon or product. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and post a listing on Mercari. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.